Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a channel on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click here. Now here you will find create channel. Click on it, and now add your name channel, and now choose your channel type, and uh, you can make it private or public, and next click create and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.